How to fix location not verified on Fanduel. So I'm going to show you a few fixes. For the first one, we will go to our phone settings and we'll just use the search bar to search for storage. Just like that, and you will click on iPhone storage. Now from this list of apps, you will find the Fanduel app. I'll show you for this one for YouTube because it's at the top. And you'll just click on offload app and confirm the offload, and afterwards it's going to show you reinstall. You want to click on reinstall, and that's just going to verify the integrity of your Fanduel files. Now another thing that you can do in order to fix this verification error is just switch to a different connection. So you can enter airplane mode and then exit out of it, obviously. And another way of how you can do this is if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch over to mobile data and then you can see if that fixes it. And the very last thing that I can suggest doing here, you will search for the app itself directly. So Price Picks, I don't have it on my phone, but I'll search for Brawl Stars here, and you will make sure allow tracking is turned on and cellular data is also turned on. So make sure these two options are turned on, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.